In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gann fan on TradingView, quick and easy. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart. You can use any market you like, stocks, crypto, forex, or indices. Just open up the chart where you want to apply the Gann fan so you can follow along in real time. Now look at the upper left side of your chart. This is where your main drawing toolbar is located. We're going to use that toolbar to find the Gann fan tool. Move your mouse over the icons there and find the group that contains the Gann and Fibonacci tools. It usually looks like a small icon related to trend or Fibonacci drawings. Click on that Gann and Fibonacci tools icon to open a drop-down menu. In this list, you'll see several options like Fibonacci retracements and other Gann tools. From that list, click on Gann fan. Once you select it, your cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to draw on the chart. Next, create your first point on the chart. This is your anchor point. Most traders choose a significant swing low or swing high as the starting point, because the Gann fan is designed to project potential support and resistance angles from that key level. Click once to place that first point. Then move your cursor to where you want the fan to extend and click again to create your last point. This defines the angle and scale of the fan. After this second click, you'll see multiple diagonal lines spreading out from your starting point. These are your Gann fan angles. The Gann fan can help you visualize dynamic support and resistance as price moves over time. Each line represents a different angle that price may react to, helping you see potential areas where trends might pause, reverse, or accelerate. You can move or adjust the Gann fan anywhere on your chart. Just click on the fan and drag it to a new location, or adjust the endpoints to fine-tune the angle and fit it better to your price action. You can also customize it. With the fan selected, open the settings panel. Here, you can use templates to save your favorite configurations, change the color to match your chart style, and adjust the line width so the angles are easier to see. You can change the style of the lines as well, such as making them solid or dashed. In the settings, you'll also see options to lock the tool so you don't move it by accident, or remove it if you no longer need it. The three dots, or More menu, gives quick access to these options. To wrap up, the Gann fan on TradingView is a powerful way to map potential trend angles, support, and resistance. With a few clicks, you can add it, customize it, and integrate it into your trading analysis.